Good morning. I'm here today to talk to you about the results from WHIreland for the year to the 30th of November 2016. 2016 was a challenging year both for WHIreland and for the industry, and the results today reflect those challenges. Revenue fell to £25 million, reflecting primarily a significant decline in transaction-related income. Commissions from clients trading in the stock market, transactions from our corporate clients, and overall declines in market-making activity were primarily behind this fall. On a more positive note, our management fee income rose to £12 million, or nearly 47% of total revenue, the highest level that it has ever been. Against this decline in revenue, our overall costs fell, albeit not as significantly. Thus, for the year, we reported a loss of £1.3 million. This compares with a loss at the half year of £1.2 million, thus demonstrating the significantly better second half period that we experienced in 2016. The other main aspect of the results is the exceptional charge reported of £1.8 million. This reflects a significant reorganisation of the business in 2016 following the settlement with the FCA, and also significant changes which are going to impact the company in 2017. This reorganisation has primarily been focused on the private wealth management side, where we are moving our operational platform to a company called SEI Corporation. As a result of this change, we will be creating a middle office function within the company, but we will see significant personnel changes and reductions. The costs of all of these changes and this reorganisation are included in this exceptional charge, both for 2016 and also for the known costs associated with this change in 2017. Thus, 2016 has been a transformational year for WHIreland, but it will better position us for future growth in years ahead. I'd now like to talk about the two operational divisions within the company. The private client side had another good year, with assets growing nearly 14% to £2.9 billion overall. Of this number, the fastest growing element was the discretionary fee-paying assets, which for the first time rose to over £1 billion. Total fee income in this division rose to £7.6 million, the highest it has ever been. On our corporate side of the business, despite seeing an overall decline in client numbers, primarily due to delistings, we saw retainer income retaining at around the £3 million level. The average size of our corporate client has increased as measured by market capitalisation during the past year, and this bodes well for future growth. In the AIM market rankings, we rose to be the third largest nomad by client numbers in 2016, up from the position of fourth in 2015. This also bodes well for future growth. There have also been a number of post-year-end announcements that have been made that I think I should reference this morning. Firstly, we announced the sale in January of our freehold property in Manchester for £5.27 million, a significant increase in book value. We will be moving out of our office in the summer to new leasehold premises in Manchester. Secondly, we've announced the appointment of two new directors, further strengthening the board. Humphrey Percy joined in December 2016, and Victoria Rafey joined us in February 2017. Finally, we have also announced the appointment of Adam Pollock, who will be joining us on March the 1st as head of the corporate broking and advisory business. Finally, I'd like to thank all the members of staff, and indeed all our shareholders, for their patience during what has been a difficult and challenging year. The changes that we have made and the changes that we are implementing position this company very strongly for the years ahead. The benefits of these changes will be very much in evidence in 2017, but primarily into 2018. I thank you all for your patience and for listening this morning. Thank you.